Hello Sumit, how's you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so here we are going to start a video. Here we are going to start a short video.
Okay.
The topic will be very relating to you, the thing which you are reading, the which you are opting, and the thing which you are going to study and you are studying. Okay,
Yeah.
so it is related to your career thing. Okay,
Okay.
the course you have studied, the subjects you have opted for last 2 or 3 years, I guess,
Yeah.
if I'm not wrong. So not so many of us know about it. Okay,
Okay.
the term NIBOS and the courses offered by them. Okay, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
So please let us know something about NIBOS and the courses offered by them, and what are the career prospects from their courses, and why should an Indian do this course?
Well, coming to your question first, what is NEBOS? NEBOS is actually a kind of organization that describes the level of safety regarding a workplace, either in hospitality or in somewhere like in production sector or construction or oil and gas. So basically, it's when you are coming for NEBOS, then you should have the basic understanding of the science. Either you have to give IELTS, and you must have 7.1 in that, and after that you may proceed with NEBOS. So coming to NEBOS, it's a certification one, and it's of 15 days. It will take you 10 days of classes, and in between you will get 3 days, and after that
So this will be a regular class, or it will be a part-time
it
course?
will be a regular class of 10 days. Either you may choose it actually varies upon the institute that you are choosing the course.
What are the fees like?
But basically the fee is just around 45 to 50, depends upon
For
the
15
institute.
days, right?
15 days, yeah. And
And-
after doing this course, you may proceed with. Okay, first I was discussing about this IGC. So I want to give a
What
more
is it,
depth of
IGC?
knowledge about this.
Okay. What is
So-
IGC?
IGC stands for International General Certificate. It is basically for the fresher kind of who just want to enrich their career in health and safety. So health and safety is not just a small
So
sector.
you are talking that this is all about health and safety, or
Yeah,
something
it's-
relating to
yeah,
safety.
yeah.
A
So-
course in safety.
Listen, health and safety is a very broad thing. If you are coming in health and safety, you must have a detailed knowledge of it. So coming to IGC, it's just a kind of startup. You can take this course because
IGC is a startup?
yeah. After having this course, actually you will get some little amount of knowledge. I will not say huge amount of knowledge, but it will definitely help you. After that, if you work for some organization or some company, there is an health and safety assistant either, or something like health and safety practitioner, you will get a good salary.
How do they hire? I mean, is there sufficient number of vacancies for such kind of post, or
Basically the things depends upon the 4 factors, I'll say. The first one is the economic climate of the country that you have chosen to do this course. So basically, if I will come back to our country, India is a developed country, or you can say developing country, more of it. So in developing country, the budgets are too small for this, because here you might have seen and known about the accident and incident that took place in our society, and we don't even know about them, how they died, and
normally
there is
such topics are suppressed
Yeah,
casually?
people don't even go for the research or raise a question against the organization. They just
Okay. Let me finish this part over here only. The second thing which I wanted to ask, suppose this is a course which you should opt only if you are willing to go abroad, right?
No.
The bigger
It's
factor-
a very wrong concept.
The bigger factor is this, right? Because
There is
once
no-
because
listen,
once
listen.
you have done this
There
course,
are- there are
and
the-
you
there
cannot.
Okay.
What I think I'm saying,
Yeah.
if you have done this course, you cannot earn that much of amount in India, because the
No, I first you said about this course. If you are belonging from diploma in engineering or something like a BSc in environmental science, like I have.
so why don't we hear such kind of vacancies in newspaper or anywhere?
It too comes, but people don't pay attention to it.
Okay.
People don't know about this sector, and it's a sector that has been coming through decades in abroad. If you are talking about health and safety in UK, it has been practiced since 1970s, and you know the value of life in their country. You can go there. They claim around 1 million or 50,000 pound or something like this when they get incident or accident.
Let's conclude this. Okay, so in short note, please, just as a finally conclusion thing,
Okay.
just evaluate it. How would you recommend everyone to do it?
Well, it depends
On what
upon
condition would you like
it depends
to
upon the interest of the student or the profile.
What
from
kind
where
of
they
interest
belong.
should
So,
one have?
A student who are willing to go to this sector, they can do this, and there is no offense that they won't get a job in India or they won't get a job in abroad. It will fetch them job, but
What are the average salaries do?
well,
one
in
can get
India,
for
you will
this?
get an average salary up to 14 to 20,000. Depends upon the background that you are coming from. But if you are gaining some experience of a couple of years or 3 years, and after that you will get a decent amount. What the engineers are getting right now in our country.
And what are the growth prospects of this?
The growth is very enormous in this sector, as you know that you are contributing a lot of part in the organization with your health and safety and the advices and the law that you are following. But the main thing is that the what you are seeking is your self respect in the country, or the respect that you are seeking from your organization. You will get that. In terms of salary, I will say that it is less productive job, because you are just limiting the cost of the accident and all this thing by your advices. So you won't find something like growth in yourself. But as a career wise, you will see a large amount of difference between the initial salary and the salary that you are getting right now after 4 or 5 years. But if you are planning to study more after this, either you can go for the international diploma, that is level 6 in occupational and health and safety.
Okay.
So it's a kind of a bachelor's degree that is recognized in the UK and the entire United States of Emirates and everywhere.
So basically the prospects are the international only, na?
Yeah, prospects are in the international, but nowadays in our Indian economy and the organization are willing to work with the safety practitioner to save the cost. Basically, it deals with the saving of the cost and the incident in accident prevention. These are the major duties of the health and safety practitioner. And I'll say that after doing this IAC, you will get that amount of knowledge, so you can save all these things, whatever you are willing to do.
Okay. Anyway, thank you, Sumit,
Thanks
for
a lot.
enlightening.